today we're unboxing the noise cancelling headphones 700 Bose. And it's a very sleek, simple boxing on the outside and super easy to open. There's a tab here and a tab here for easy sliding of opening the box. So let's go ahead and do that. Super easy, comes off nice and clean. Same thing on this side. And all you do is open it up. Very nice box. And look at that. Inside it comes with the case with the headphones inside, along with a little instruction manual that helps you with the Bluetooth. It comes nice and sleek. All you have to do is just push it in there. There's a little corner, so it goes in nice and easy, like a nice compact fit. And it comes with a gel thing. So let's put the box to the side and open this up. It has this nice area where the zipper can hold. You just pull that out and unzip it. It's a nice leather case. It's a leather zipper too. It goes almost all the way around. And look at that. So smooth, so soft. And look at those. Nice alien-like design. Smoothly moves. It can move in almost any direction to nicely fit your ears. This nicely comes, everything's very compact, so it's very sleek. And there's a magnet here that hides away all of these wires. Again, these ones have a nice, easy to open, and you just click that. And whenever you want to go, you just put them in the case, right? Like this. Nicely put them in the case, put the lid, and zip. And that is the Bose noise cancelling headphones 700.